Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got another unboxing, y'all, and you know where I've been. If you follow me, you know that I absolutely love the company that sends this pink box. Okay, so this is like my fourth order with this company. So yeah. All right. So before I get into this, y'all, I just want to say thank you to everyone, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave me a question or a comment below, and I will answer you as soon as I can. And let's get into this. All right. So I have it flipped upside down because my address is on the other side, but this is from Cat Proof Diamond Painting Trays on Etsy. Let me get this cut so I can open it. All right, so she sends your trays in this cute pink box. I mean, it is a very cute box. All right, so let me move all of my info. All right, and then she always sends a thank you card, which is very sweet, very cute. And y'all, like I said, this is cat-proof diamond painting trays, and I will definitely leave a link to her Etsy shop in my description box. But these trays are amazing. I love them. But the card is a cat. And it says thank you. And y'all, I don't own a cat, but I love these trays. They're also dog proof, okay? They're kid proof. They're husband proof. If you got that lid on there, they're anything proof. So it just says thank you for your continued support. And then she has got a couple of stickers in there, which are cute. Very cute. All right. And then she'll cover it in this cardboard, or I don't really know what this is. It's paper, but it's like a real thick paper. So the one that I got was this one, and it is the Halloween special edition Halloween color. It's the orange and the black. And you can see she's got the little paw print, and the lines are black, and it comes with the lid, and it is so cute. And I love how the drills line up in this. The sides are nice and tall. The opening is good and wide, and this part here will hold your drills back so that they don't all come out real quick. But let me get some drills. Let me see. Trying to find some. I got a canvas over here that I just got done with. That the drills are over here. Let's see. Let's just do these. But yeah, you just give them a little shake, and they just line up really well. I wish I had some that had more drills. Hold on. You know what? Let me bring y'all down some too so y'all can actually see what I'm doing. So I just now it does take a little practice to do this without spilling them everywhere. And I just take them and tap them until they go over there in that corner. And y'all probably can't even see what I'm doing. My big old fat hand. So, let me try these. Alright, so, put quite a bit in there. So, you just shake them around. And these are just budget-friendly drills. But look, it don't take them long at all to line up in there. And you don't even have to shake it all that hard. Plus, with the sides being so tall, they don't fall out. So look. So I love these trays. And they're such a good, size. You just tap it and they just go down there in that area. And you just tap them down there. Now, I've been using these little Tic Tac boxes here for this little project that I'm using or doing. So, but still, you just tap it down in there. I have more issues with this thing than I do the drill or the trays. Alright. So yeah, I mean, y'all, this was, let me look, because they sent me an invoice. This was $13, okay, but it's because it is a special edition. Alright, so I don't know if they'll still have this one after Halloween, but right now they did have a few of them. And if you follow me and you've seen the video that I did last time, or well, if you've seen my last video where I unboxed these, I had a lot of different ones, and as soon as I got off that video, I went back and I got that one because I didn't realize they had the Halloween trays out. So, but yeah, this one was $13 because it is a special edition. But they're just awesome, y'all. And these little lids, they just pop on there. No problems. And if you lose a lid and you've got another tray, that lid will fit onto this one. They're interchangeable. They're all the same size. But yeah, and they're not going to come out. It's not going to come off. It's not. So, it's not only cat-proof, y'all. It's also dog-proof and kid-proof, husband-proof, any kind of proof. If it falls off of this desk, this ain't coming off. So yeah. So, y'all, I'm going to leave the link to this and to their shop in my description box. But like I said, I'm not sure if they've still got the Halloween, but go check it out. Because even if they don't have the Halloween, they have got all kinds of other colors. They've got all your basic colors. And like I said, I love these trays. And this is my 4th time purchasing from them. And I've only got a couple other colors to get, and I'll have the whole set of small ones anyway. And then I guess I'll have to go back and start buying the big ones. But, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please go to Cat Proof Diamond Painting Trays on Etsy and check them out. I think they're regular trays, like just their regular color trays. I think they're like $7. I think's how much they were. So, anyway, all right. So, until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.